What's up, guys? Today, Grace Cars and Toys. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we got, what's this person's name? Tiger Shark?
Yep.
That's it, okay. And we got this at the Coliseum, and this truck was at the Coliseum. So, we're going to open this up here. I'll show you the back. Here's all of the monster trucks. And let's get opening it. Let's put this in there.
I like the way he just throws that down. Alright, so there is the truck. Show the front. Keep it still. There you go. Look at that, guys. There's the back. And then it comes with that piece. Grayson has several of those, and you can put them together and stuff. So,
Yep.
Cool.
Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Bam.